cry. Don't cry again.
Oh my god.
It's fine, it's fine. Look, I won't cry again. I promise. I felt all the
I'm
classes.
gonna stop growing up.
Call it how it is. Hendrix. I promise, I swear, I swear. You admit it. Yo. Percocet. Miley Percocet.
I'm in that bitch gon' play. On my bitch they play. So much stage do like so. We the niggas in they touch. We so shoot up like so. I got racist just like that. Nigga, this like it gotta be. Body jumping just like me. But it's all like in my feet. So much stage do like so. We the niggas in they touch.
We got my little brother's super scary dolls for Christmas.
Number 2, Lucky, you'll like this one.
Oh my gosh.
Aw, just for you.
Grandma likes them WTF.
This is proof that being dripped out makes you look more attractive. Zooey, mama, you're hot. You want to go to Chuck E. Cheese?
No way, you creep.
Oh, Zooey, mama. Oh, hi. You want to go on a date with me?
Yes, Riley. Oh, my take.
CEO, entrepreneur, born in 1964, Jeffrey Bezos. Come on, Jeffrey.
Hi. How you doing?
Name a country. Africa.
Loser? Nice shirt. Your mom get it for you?
Yeah, you like it?
Are you getting smart with me? Yeah, that's what I thought. Thanks, nerd. Yo, dude, nice glasses.
Thank you?
Yo, can I see them?
No, you're just gonna run off and call me a nerd.
Oh, bro, why would I do that? Ha, nerd.
Mike? Is that you?
Do I know you?
It's Carl from Vista Del Monte.
Carl the nerd? Is that really you? It's elementary school was a long time ago. How are you, man?
I'm good. I'm just here having some lunch. Join me.
I've just got a sec. I'm meeting with someone. It's good to see you.
Yeah, thanks. You too. You know, didn't you leave the city a while back? You know, I think you got a scholarship somewhere, no?
Yeah, I got kicked out after my freshman year. Faculty caught me smoking in the dorms. And I got even bigger trouble when I pinned it on Jacob.
Who's Jacob?
Jacob? He was like my Carl of college. I used to make him do all of my assignments. He was a nerd, just like you.
That's funny. So what are you doing here?
Just here for some job interview with a tech company. I hope they don't do a background check on me. I lied all over my resume.
Yeah, imagine that.
So, what's up with you? Your dad's still dead?
Yeah, well, they don't come back to life after they die.
It's a joke. I'm just messing with you, man.
Yeah, hilarious.
It's been a long time. What's going on in your life these days?
Well, I started a company called True Red Global.
True Red Global? Why does that name sound familiar?
Well, it was published in Forbes as one of the fastest growing startup businesses in California to break $50 million in revenue in 5 years. But you probably know it because True Red Global owns a sister company named TechBot, and that's the company you're applying for.
True Red Global? Why does that name sound familiar?
Well, it was published in Forbes as one of the fastest growing startup businesses in California to break $50 million in revenue in 5 years. But you probably know it because True Red Global owns a sister company named TechBot, and that's the company you're applying for today. Oh, but you can hang on to your resume, seeing as how I know you lied all over it anyway.
Carl, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I was just joking about the whole dead dad thing.
I wasn't.
Carl, I really need this job. I've got a second kid on the way. My unemployment's running out. I'll do anything.
Now that is the attitude we like over at TechBot. You know, I know you're not qualified for the position that you've applied for, but there is a position that recently opened up that I think you'd be a perfect fit for.
Really? Oh my God, Carl, then please.
Call me boss.
Okay, boss. Thank you so much. You don't know how much I appreciate this. I really need the money. What's the job?
So your job would be that of a janitor. Now, don't get too excited. You would be working a 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. work schedule, and I'm gonna need you to come in on the weekends. Being that this is our busiest location, you would certainly have your work cut out for you. Now, I'm not joking when I say this, but the last time we had a leak, I was literally up to my ankles in human shit. But that's certainly something you could handle, right? Anyway, gotta head out. Got a sushi date with the wife. But you make sure you're there on Monday, all right?
Got it, boss.
That's a good little employee. See you Monday, nerd.